Hello everyone, my name is Udit Suraj and today I am going to show you how to model this simple structure which we can see on my screen. This one, how to model this one in Fusion 360 software. As we can see from its isometric view, it is a simple structure with 3 holes, fillets on inner side and chamfer on outer sides. It is a 75 by 40 by 40 block. Okay, so first what we will do, we will make a rectangle of 75 by 40 and the width of a section is 10 mm. Okay, we will go to top plane, select top plane, sketch a rectangle from mid of 75. Press tab to go into next dimension and 40. Okay, finish sketch, extrude 10 mm, extrude up to 10 mm. Now we have to make a boundary of 10 mm both side. Now select this plane, go to sketch, use rectangle, use 2-point rectangle and 75 mm by 10 mm. Again 2-point rectangle 40 by 10. Okay, finish sketch, and here we can extrude it, and we have to extrude it by 40 minus 10, overall 30. As the height is 10 and we have to go 30 more to complete total height of 40 mm. Now you can see our basic structure is ready. Now from the left side view we can see it has a hole of 3 holes of 12 mm diameter at 15 and 15 from sideways. So select this plane, sketch, select draw of 12 mm. Now press D for dimensions, select the center of circle and a dimension and type 15. Center of circle to here, type 15. Now we have on this end. Now we can go select the tape, pull it, we have a hole here. Select this plane, select sketch. We have to draw 2 circles of 12 mm each with 15 mm from right side. This side. Take 2 circles in mid. Height must be 15 only. So you can draw circles of 12 mm, another circle of 12 mm, press D for dimension, type 12. Now dimensions already there, this must be 15. 15 and 35. Really nice. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Select both circles and nice. Now from this plane view we can see the fillets are of radius 3 type and chamfer are 3 into 45 degree. Now go to select its edge, this one, select all 3 edges and radius 3. That's it, I think. Radius 3. If we go to dimension and touch this thing, okay, and chamfer of 3 into 45. Select the drop down menu, select chamfer from it, all 3 edges, this one and this one, equal distance and as an angle. Now 45 degree and distance you have to select as 3 mm. 3 mm and 45 degree. Nice. Go to visual style. You can select shaded. It will look exactly like the last one. It's okay, I think it's similar. Well, and like this we have finished modeling a simple part in Fusion 360. In this video we have used features like extrude, sketch, fillet and chamfer, and you have also gone through the types of chamfer which are available here. Like you can see, you can select chamfer. If they are of equal distance chamfer, there are 2 distance and an angle, and distance and angle. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.